Hi, I'm Sue from Garden Moxie. Today I wanted to give you an update on my project to create a new island border. The project is still underway, but I finished up the hardest part. After I removed the turf, I needed to clean up the roots from the trees and amend the soil with compost. I had 8 yards of compost delivered. The compost was mixed with topsoil that I saved from a previous project. We've gotten a lot of rain this season, which delayed the project quite a bit. After a lot of wheelbarrow lifting, raking, and root cutting, the island border was ready to plant. There's still work to be done, but I've made great progress. One of my favorite plant combinations is still this bright yellow Japanese forest grass underplanting the bloodgood Japanese maple. Forest grass adds such a great texture to the planting scheme. I love how it tussles around in the wind. I decided to add some bee-friendly lavender to the sunny location in the front garden. This lavender is Hidcote. I haven't planted the pots yet, but the bumblebees are giving it their seal of approval. The planting is still new. It will take time for the plants to establish themselves and start filling in the empty spaces. I'm planning to fill the empty spaces with annuals and bulbs next season. One problem I've already found is the cranebill Roxanne is not exactly deer resistant. One of the plants that's new to me is this Pulmonaria silver bouquet. I'm loving this plant so far, and the deer haven't touched it. The heuchera looks great too, and it seems like it likes this new location. The area closer to the tree is part shady and only gets a very limited amount of sun in the morning. The deer have been sampling the Weigela, wine and roses plants. I'm loving this small-sized winter gem boxwood. Winter gem is a great variety boxwood that stays green in our cold Michigan winters, and it's also resistant to boxwood miner and blight. I'm going to be interested to see how these sea of gold junipers do. They're definitely deer resistant. You can see from the cranebill Roxanne that it's getting eaten by the deer. You can even see the deer prints in this photo. A new plant that I added to the design is another heuchera. This is called Fire Alarm. It's got these great bright colored leaves that I think look great against the green of the boxwood. I still have quite a few plants to get into the ground along the edge of the island border. That's the latest status of the front island border project. It's almost done, which is great. That's all for now. Cheers!